We're doing the spark plugs today on a 2010 Subaru Forester, non-turbo model. And people get nervous about doing spark plugs on the Subarus, but this particular one is very easy to do. We're going to remove the wire for the mass airflow sensor. We're going to remove this hose clamp right here. We're going to take off the air filter box with these two clips. Pull this part of the air cleaner assembly away. That opens up this area right here for you to reach down through here. We're going to use the 5/8 inch deep set spark plug socket with the built-in swivel. This is magnetic, it holds the plugs. You can reach right down through here very easily and remove both of the spark plug wires. Get your socket wrench in there on this, put this in first, clip your socket wrench over the end, and it's very easy to reach on this side. Just that one little section of air cleaner box you need to remove, one screw and a clip, and you'll be good to go just like any other car doing the spark plugs. The driver's side is very similar, almost as easy. The only difference is on the driver's side, it's a lot easier to reach the back one if you pull out the battery. I think you can do it without pulling the battery out, but we're going to make it easy on us because we want to get it done quicker and not fight with it. So we're going to remove the negative terminal on battery, then the positive terminal, and then the little bracket that holds the battery to the frame, and we'll show you what happens after that. And once the battery's out, look at that, we reach right down in here, spark plug here, spark plug here. Both of them really easy to reach. Look at that. So now we're going to get our special wrench I showed you on there. I'll put a link to that in the description of the video because everybody should have one of those. Once you pull the spark plug wire off, we're going to take just the extension and the spark plug socket, and we're going to drop it down into the hole and lightly twist it until we feel it drop into place on the spark plug. Now we'll connect our wrench to the end and undo it. All done. This side here was less than 15 minutes to do both spark plugs, and the other side was about the same. This is certainly an easy job you can do yourself on a 2010 Forester with the non-turbo engine and this nice swiveling extensions magnetic spark plug socket. Click on the link if you need one of these. It's well worth having in your toolbox. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.